You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, shivers. Fuck.
My fucking board hit my fucking shit.
Damn, we just got pulled over. Trying to fucking session and this cop just fucked up my sesh. Alright.
Make sure and call this phone number here. It's the number for the court. They don't know that you got this ticket yet, so you need to call them in about 2 weeks and tell them whether or not you want to fight the ticket, pay for the fine, or go to traffic school.
Okay.
He said,
See
okay.
this shit, man.
Okay,
That's why I gotta become a pro skateboarder or something, or else I'm gonna kill somebody.
You could love me or hate me, I swear it won't make me or break me.